In the previous video, we looked at how to multiply a fraction times a whole number. If I were to look at the problem 1/2 times 8, then I would think of the time sign as the word of. 1/2 of 8. And if I were to split 8 into halves, how many pieces would I need? I would need 2 pieces. So I would draw 2 circles and split up my 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 1/2 right here, and I have 1/2 right here. So how many are in half of 8? Well, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1/2 of 8 equals 4. Let's use our estimating to see if this makes sense. 1/2 is a proper fraction that is less than 1. So my answer should be less than 8. 4 is less than 8, so my answer makes sense. Let's practice again, but take it a step further. I want to find 1/3 of 6, so I need to split my 6 into thirds. How many pieces are in thirds? There are 3 equal pieces in thirds. I'm going to draw 3 circles and split up my 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 1/3 right here, 1/3 right here, and 1/3 right here. My problem is asking that I find 1/3 of 6. So I'm going to circle one of those thirds. And let's count to see. 1, 2. 1/3 of 6 is 2. Let's use our estimation to see if that makes sense. 1/3 is less than a whole. So my answer should be less than 6. It does make sense. We're going to take this a step further and find 2/3 of 6. I've already got 6 split into thirds, but I don't just need one group, I need 2 groups. So I have 1/3, 2/3. Let's count how much is in 2/3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2/3 of 6 is 4. I split it into thirds and I counted 2 groups worth. Now, let's take it one more step further and find 3/3 of 6. Remember, 3/3 is equal to 1 whole, so we should have all 6. I'm going to pick a different color and circle 3/3. 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. Let's count how many is in 3/3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3/3 of 6 is 6. Since I have all 3 of the thirds, then I have all of the pieces. I have all 6. 3/3 times 6 equals 6.